Hey, yeah. Hello. Today we will be meal prepping. I apologize for the very poor lighting that you can see reflecting in my glasses. It is what it is. I'm also going to apologize. You can't see the robot from Doctor Who looking thing over there, but it distills our water, and it's a whirring, so it's going to have a constant background noise. Also, sometimes when I get over here, I look like I have crazy eyebrows because of my glasses. It's great. It's great. Great. I've always wanted to try meal prepping. I've always been the kind of person who wakes up, makes my lunch when I make my breakfast, and honestly it can be a little hectic to have all that going on, but I haven't needed to meal prep because we have not gone anywhere. I haven't been out on the town busy with too much to do, not enough time to come home and cook and eat. I'm boiling water right now, by the way. I'm a chef. But we have some circumstances. Our fridge is not working right now. This is the third time I've lost track of time during quarantine that our fridge has stopped working. Right now, the fridge side isn't working, but the freezer side is working. No fridge, yes freezer. So we've been freezing all of our foods, and thankfully it's winter, so we can basically keep our food in a cooler in the garage. It's that time of year where your garage becomes an extension of your refrigerator in Michigan. Still not cold enough for a video that you will be seeing at some point in the future. You will understand why I'm so frustrated that it isn't cold enough yet. Okay, one moment. Sorry, the water started boiling, so I threw in some noodles. But yeah, our fridge is broken, so I'm so clumsy. So we have a refrigerator repair person coming tomorrow in the afternoon, which is nice because we'll have our morning to get prepared. But because we're going to be having a person not from our household in our house during a pandemic, we're going to have to stay away from the kitchen once they get here and after they leave, and sanitize the fridge. So that is why we're meal prepping. This will also be a kind of a what I eat in the day type video-ish, but this is what we're going to be making today. We're going to be making my go-to spicy soup. Now that it's winter out, I have soup every day for lunch and breakfast. Lunch, dinner, I really only eat 2 meals a day and a snack. And then we'll be making my snack. We're gonna be making a bean salad. Now I'm making food specifically that can be frozen so that I can freeze them all and keep them in a lunchbox together, so they'll just stay frozen little blocks of cube food. That's the plan. For breakfast every day I have half a grilled cheese. I make an egg white omelet, usually with mushrooms and beans and cheese. And then I make a very small, we're talking maybe a third of a cup of tomato soup that is specifically for dipping the grilled cheese in and also putting it on top of the egg white omelet. It's delicious. Yeah, I'm gonna try meal prepping. I'm very excited. I've always wanted to try meal prepping. I actually had wanted to do this as a YouTube video. Didn't think I'd be doing it until the pandemic was over, but here we are with a broken fridge. Opportunities. But I'm gonna stir these noodles. While the noodles are boiling, I'm going to make my bean salad. It's very basic, it's not fancy, but it can be frozen and we like that. So, look, I even have containers. I feel like this is very my Crazy Train shirt from Ozzy Osbourne, and this just perfectly portrays where I'm at this point. Okay, so like I said, I have containers. Now, we'll actually get to try the soup on camera, even though I know it's delicious, but time to make 3 bean salad. 3 beans. It's actually 2 beans and mushrooms for protein. Today we're using black beans or garbanzo beans. So I'm just gonna take a scoop of each of those, and here are our mushrooms. And I'm actually gonna cut them up into bite-sized pieces, the mushrooms, because they're just they're a little too chunky. And I'm gonna do that in a classy way with scissors. Cut them in half, don't fling your mushrooms on the counter. And now just for efficiency, I'm gonna do it the same thing again in my other container. As you can see, this already doesn't take very much time, but if you have no time at all, this is the way to do it, I think. Now, this is what makes it me, I think. I add some sriracha. I like some kick. Then I'm just gonna pour some Italian dressing on top. I don't measure anything. I don't know who you think I am. There, that seems like enough. Tomorrow morning I might make a salad to have for later. But you know how like if you put dressing on a salad and leave it there too long, it gets like all weird and soggy? I don't like me a soggy salad. Oh, almost forgot. I'm gonna add some Italian seasoning, just for funsies, honestly. And some crushed red pepper. Again, they're basically savory sprinkles. Put a lid on it. This is the fun part. I usually do this in a closed container just so I can shake them. But see, I don't know if you can see. Can you see? Can you see? Look at that. It does not look appealing, does it? Well, it is good. Here, I'll open one. Can I open you? That's a nice little healthy go-to protein snack. And the even better part is I can freeze them. And they're a little bit spicy. They have a little bit of a kick. And maybe tomorrow we'll do test tasting of these. Today we'll be able to test the soup. Also, speaking of salads, this is great to like if you chop up lettuce, throw this on top of a salad because it already has the dressing. Sprinkle some Parmesan cheese. Amazing, easy grab and go salad. Because like as I just said, when you leave this kind of stuff on lettuce, it gets all weird and soggy. So you can just keep your... Oh, she stopped now. Now the audio is going to be different for the rest of the video. We love that. We love that. High quality YouTube video here. And sometimes she makes little farting noises. It's not me, it's her. But like I said, your salad gets soggy and weird. So package it separately in your lunch. So I'm going to wait until the noodles are done cooking. And then I'm going to show you how I make my spicy soup. And I'll just repeat the soup making process 2 more times to freeze. And we're back. Here are my nudes. It's funny. That's funny. So the first thing I like to add, okay, so I basically add the same ingredients that I put into my bean salad situation. So we're gonna do that all over again.
Black beans, yum.
Garbanzo beans, and then a scoop of mushrooms. So there, we have our scoops, and then I add lots of salt. Well, I don't know if this is a lot of salt or not because it doesn't taste salty at all, like in the end, and I really don't like super salty foods, but my salt shaker doesn't actually have a lot of little holes, so not much comes out. So salt and pepper, and then I add my Italian seasoning, kind of dust it around, yum. Then I add some garlic powder, we're going crazy here. Just a light dusting all over. And then crushed red peppers. Again, a tiny bit of sriracha. Because we want some spice. Again, some kick. Sorry, I've been taking a lot of kickboxing classes lately. I'm really getting into it. And I pour that right over where the sriracha is. And then I kind of go over it in a circle. Now, I know a lot of people are kind of against microwaving foods, but I'm just gonna pop in the microwave just to heat it up a little bit. I'm not gonna sneeze. I'm not gonna sneeze. I'm not gonna sneeze. Okay, so here is the finished soup. I'm not gonna spill it. I'm not gonna spill it. That's as far as we can go. Is it pretty? Okay. That's how I make my soup, and now I'm gonna repeat the same process 2 more times and freeze it so I have food for tomorrow night when I can't go in my kitchen, as well as for Tuesday night so I can spend a limited amount of time in there and just touching less surfaces. This is very hot, literally and flavor profile wise. I know usually you have a soup kind of sit and boil all in a pot and become one and whatever. I like a fresh, quick soup where you can taste each flavor individually, but we're gonna try to get a bite with everything. So I'm gonna get some noodles, some mushroom, some beans. Okay, ready? I mean, there's a reason that I could eat this soup every day. It's so good. Wow. But yeah, that concludes this video of me meal prepping. Subscribe if you want to see more videos of me doing things. Hit the notification bell if you want to know exactly when I post. Like this video if you liked my shenanigans. Comment down below other things I can meal prep and cook that are quick, easy meals. In fact, if you want to send me recipes or send me your meal prepping pictures and stuff, you can tag me on your stories on Instagram at Pauline Does Things, and I will shower you in emojis and probably drool over your cooking. But yeah, I'm gonna eat dinner now. It is a little later than I usually eat, and keep on cooking. I will see you eventually again, hopefully next week, if not at some point. Okay, bye. Cheers. Here, do you want some? Do you want a bite? Here, let me. Here, open up. Open up. Here you go. Hello, this is future Pauline from Wednesday, eating my bean bowl. Meal prepping was a success, and our fridge is fixed.